everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet. This is a rare big back window truck, 3100. It's got 250 miles on a complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration. Truck's out of Mississippi, rock solid Mississippi body. Man, just a beautiful truck, guys. Finished in Tuxedo black. It's got beautiful paint on it, black custom interior. Just a gorgeous truck, man. I love these big back windows. We've been fortunate enough. I think this is probably the fourth one we've had in the last couple of years, and I know people just love these things. I mean, trucks are as hot as can be right now, and these big back windows, man, everybody's chasing them, and they're cool. This one's super cool. It's got a LS 5.3 fuel injected engine in it, 4L60E trans. It's a 9-inch Ford rear end, four-wheel disc brakes, vintage air, custom dash. I mean, really just a pretty truck too, guys. Again, 250 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. You can see they've replaced the grille. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick. There's a couple little touch-up marks, you know, a few little things that I've seen, but not a whole lot to pick at. Truck drives great. In fact, there's a little bug still on the bumper there. Pretty truck, man. Slick paint, all new glass. The thing we didn't get to work was the wipers. They're coming on. I don't know if this is a cable driven, or we'll have to take a look at it. They're up underneath the dash in this year, so we'll take a peek at it and see what we can find out. You can hear the motor coming on, but they're not actually working. But the air blows ice cold. All new wood bed. Pretty truck. You see a little touch-up mark there. Well, it's slick, guys. This has got an all custom chassis on it too. It's got a complete boxed frame, Mustang II front suspension, all brand new. Matter of fact, we changed the wheels. I didn't like the wheels this guy had on this car. It's got all brand new 18 and 20-inch Americans, all new rubber all the way around it. Custom fuel tank. They've relocated the fuel tank to the center of the truck. Look at this thing, man. These things are so freaking cool. All new bumpers. Four-wheel disc brakes. It's just a great body style, man. It's got the slotted and drilled rotor kit in the front. Again, it's all, I mean, you see how slick that paint is. Again, this is a 5.3 Vortec LS fuel injected engine, aluminum heads. It's got a Mustang II front suspension, tubular and upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering, four-wheel disc brakes, vintage AC. I think it said 4L60 overdrive automatic transmission. It's got an aftermarket aluminum radiator with an electric fan. It's got an all, it's got the Haywire complete custom wiring kit in it. Pretty truck, man. All new mirrors, again, all new glass. It's got the chrome, I don't know what you would call this. Most of these are black. These are actually chrome at the top of around the glass. New door handles. They've got the shoulder harness seat belts in it. Custom bench seats, got a center armrest. Ididt tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Custom gauge cluster. It's got tack and gauges. 250 miles on it. Backlit real cool too. I'll show you that when we fire it up. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Here's your plug-in. You know, 'cause it's an LS, so it's your little check engine light. Everything's right there. Dual exhaust, 9-inch Ford rear end. I think it's a 373 gear. Pretty truck, man. It's got four bar rear suspension, adjustable coilovers on the rear. What else am I missing, Jay? You can go ahead and shut that. It's got the spring-loaded latches there. I think I got everything. It's a pretty truck, man. Again, I told you it's got the custom fuel cell in it. They relocated that. Yep, complete box frame, front to rear, right? It's a complete box frame. Yeah, complete box frame on this truck. Pretty truck, man. Seats nice and comfortable. You know, a lot of times people put aftermarket seats in them, they're not comfortable. This thing's nice. Oh, they custom molded the dash. That's for your AC, because all your AC components are in there. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Pretty truck. Sorry guys, got a little dust on it. I mean, just turn the key, fire it up, and that's... They just kicked your air on. It's all vintage AC components. Blows ice cold. Well, that's good look. I love this body style, man. I think these things are so cool. We just shot that 40 Ford we had. This thing's cool. Your gauges are all functional. Everything works. But which one is it? Look how it's backlit. Isn't that cool? Super cool, man. All your little turn signal lights and everything work in there. Radio works. Blower motor works. What's that? Yep, tubular upper and lower control arms. Got the blue dot taillights in it. I'll tell you, the truck drives great, and it's got all that Mustang II stuff, so it should. Again, radio works, blower motor works, all your gauges are functional. It's got interior lights when you open the door. Again, we're going to check on the wipers. Not sure. You can hear them coming on, so can't say we've owned a lot of these that the wipers actually worked. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty truck, man. Doggone it, that thing's pretty. Have a great day, guys.